Kitchen renovation. Tips and tricks to increase property value. When it comes to increasing property value, few home renovations can rival the impact of a kitchen makeover. A kitchen renovation not only enhances the functionality and aesthetics of your home's heart but also adds considerable value to your property. However, planning and executing a kitchen renovation can be a daunting task, especially if you're on a budget. But don't worry, this article will provide you with some tips and tricks to help you increase your property value without breaking the bank. Keep it simple. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make during a kitchen renovation is going overboard with design and decor. Remember that simplicity is the key to increasing your property value. While you might be tempted to install intricate cabinet designs, fancy light fixtures, and exotic countertops, it's best to stick to simple designs and materials. Neutral color palettes, classic cabinetry, and simple hardware are always a safe bet. Focus on functionality. The kitchen is the heart of any home, and functionality is crucial. Ensure that your kitchen renovation enhances its functionality and ease of use. Invest in high-quality appliances that are energy efficient and complement your kitchen design. Consider installing adequate storage solutions, such as cabinets, drawers, and pantry spaces. Ensure that your kitchen layout is ergonomic and facilitates easy movement and accessibility. Upgrade the lighting. Lighting can make or break your kitchen's aesthetic and functionality. It's important to invest in adequate lighting solutions that create a warm, inviting ambiance while providing sufficient illumination for cooking, prepping, and cleaning. Consider installing a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting solutions. Pendant lights, under-cabinet lighting, and recessed lights are popular options. Also, make sure to maximize natural light by installing large windows or skylights. Choose durable materials. The kitchen is a high-traffic area that experiences a lot of wear and tear. It's crucial to choose durable materials that can withstand the demands of everyday use. Invest in high-quality cabinetry, countertops, flooring, and appliances. Materials such as quartz, granite, and hardwood are popular choices as they are durable, long-lasting, and low-maintenance. Add a splash of color. While it's best to keep your kitchen renovation simple, adding a splash of color can make a significant impact on your property value. Consider adding pops of color through decorative accents, such as kitchen towels, rugs, and artwork. Alternatively, you can opt for colorful cabinetry or backsplash tiles. Just remember to keep it tasteful and cohesive with the rest of your kitchen design. Go green. Green features are becoming increasingly popular in home renovations, and kitchens are no exception. Investing in energy-efficient appliances, such as dishwashers, refrigerators, and ovens, not only helps the environment but also reduces your energy bills. Consider installing low-flow faucets, water-efficient dishwashers, and composting solutions to reduce water waste. You can also incorporate eco-friendly materials, such as bamboo and recycled glass, into your kitchen design. Don't forget the small details. While the big-ticket items, such as cabinetry and appliances, are crucial to your kitchen renovation, don't overlook the small details. The small details, such as cabinet hardware, faucet styles, and sink materials, can make a significant impact on your kitchen's overall aesthetic and functionality. Invest in high-quality hardware and fixtures that complement your kitchen design and enhance its functionality. Also, make sure to pay attention to the little details, such as the grout color on your backsplash tiles and the finish on your light fixtures. Conclusion: a kitchen renovation is one of the most effective ways to increase your property value. By keeping it simple, focusing on functionality, upgrading the lighting,